just encountered this while gardening and pulling up my weeds. Wow. I'm leaving the lamb's quarters in here, even though they went to seed. And what I pulled up from here is this hot mess right here. This is my little compost container. And where'd he go? Oh, there he is. I don't know what kind of spider that is, but that's pretty wild looking. Looks like a crab. Maybe it's called a crab spider. I don't know. Wow. He came right up from the dirt. Oh, there's a bunch of babies in there. You see all the babies? Wow.